Wow, whatever you just saw, that was cool, right? And you can create them too. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another brand new video. So today's video is special. We are gonna discover AI Influencer Studio. So Higgsfield have released AI Influencer. What is AI Influencer Studio, guys? Let me show you. You can create your own character. AI Influencer Studio, let me tell you what AI Influencer Studio can do. AI Influencer Studio lets you build a unique AI characters with 90 plus figurable parameters to shape every detail of their look and identity and bring them to life with motion control. And this entirely new approach to content creation, whether it's a hyper-realistic, stylish, unconventional, or something the internet has never seen before, the character is completely yours. You can create your characters. So let's get started. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna create a character. Alright, there's a builder here, there's a prompt here. So character type 1, there's gender, there's how the look will be, the skin color, the eye color, the skin conditions, the age, the advanced settings, wow, eyes types, eye details, mouth and teeth details, ears, step by step, horns, face skin material, surface map pattern. So first what we are gonna do, we are gonna create a character using AI Influencer Studio. You can create your AI character using the builder, or you can just type a detailed prompt. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna try both. Also there's few samples here. You can see you can regenerate, you can edit with Nano Banana Pro, and you can try free. You can convert this into video generator, or you can save this influencer cover, or you can type to customize the character. So there is more. Wow, this sounds cool, right? Okay, now let's try to create our own character using the builder actually. Let's try to create a human. All right, and the gender, we can go with the female, and how it will look will be Indian. I want to see how it will be and how the result will be. And skin color, you can choose any. I'm gonna go with this color, brown. And whatever you're enabling, right, whatever you're choosing, it will show here. We have choose human, we have choose female, we have choose Indian, we have choose brown color. And let's see what we're gonna choose. Eye color will be purple. All right, or you can choose your own eye color also, guys. I'll go with purple. And skin conditions, how your character skin will be, you can choose I'm gonna go with this one. Age, mature. Advanced setting, how the body, how the face, how the style will be. Eyes type, you can choose human, reptile, and mechanical. Wow. Honestly, guys, I am getting goosebumps right now. This is so cool. Small mouth. Alright, ear, of course, as a human, since all the features is like human except for the eye. Horns, we are gonna skip this. Face skin material is of course human skin. Surface pattern, we can go for solid. All right, generate influencer. So let's generate our influencer. this will take a while. By the way, a very interesting thing I want to tell you guys. I have already told you about AI Influencer Studio, and we can make our AI character move with motion control, right? You can create your own character and you can in your social channels, and then you can tag Higgsfield. Plus, you can get earned by Higgsfield. Yes, guys, you heard me right. Higgisfield Earn. So what you have to do is, if you're interested, and trust me guys, this is so cool. So what you have to do is, you have to type creators.higgisfield.ai, log in if you have account, or if you're thinking to be a creator, or if you want to start your journey as a creator, you create tutorials like me, or you create a different type of videos. Basically, if you are a content creator, then you can sign in, or sign in if you have your account, or sign up if you don't have an account, and join Higgisfield Earn. Whatever active campaigns they have, they will post it here. And what you have to do is, you have to see all the details, and then create a video, and then post, and then send them your YouTube link, your payout details, and then boom, you will get paid. Isn't that interesting, guys? So what are you waiting for, guys? Go now to Higgisfield Earn and be a creative partner with Higgisfield and get paid. Alright, now let's go back to the AI Influencer Studio. Alright, our character, it seems it's ready. Okay. Oh wow, this is our character. I must say it's really modern though. I love it. If you want to edit, you can edit with Nano Banana. Alright, but I am fine with the character, so I will not do anything. I'm fine with this one. Now, let's go with motion control. There you go. Our character is already here, and you can choose a library, or if you have a motion video, then you can add it here. Alright, you can add here, but I'm gonna choose from the motion library. Let's see how is it. Oh, I like this dance. There is some speaker icon, if you can see here. Okay, let's see how is it, and then create. Okay, this will take a while. In the meantime, let's again create our new character, okay, using prompt. Okay, so I have my prompt here. And click generate. Alright, we have again generate a new character, but this time we have used only prompt. So let's see how the result is. This will take a while. Alright, in the meantime, let's go to our AI video generator and let's see how the result is. Oh, okay, this will take a while also. Alright, Okay, so we have our result. Okay, this looks good. This looks nice. If you're not good, if you're not satisfied, then again you can edit with Nano Banana. Just click here and edit to Nano Banana, but I am okay with my result. Okay, again let's try video generator, explore new, and we are gonna bring this to motion control. Alright, if you don't know what is motion control, you can see my tutorial. I have created a cartoon dancing video using Higgsfield. So do watch that. I will post somewhere in the I button, or I'll put in the description below. Alright, so do watch it. Okay, if you have a duration video around 3 to 30 seconds, then you can upload here. But we are gonna use the videos from the motion library, like how we did the previous one. Okay, this will take a while. Alright, now we have choose this video, right? Now let's choose this one can, because she's also using a phone and our character is also using a phone. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. Alright, and then generate. Okay, so we have our video here. Let's see how the result is. Like everything fun. Big God, big God, big God, big God. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. Big God, big God, big God, big God. SpongeBob, with my bestie, like everything fun. Okay, this is nice. It's like this is cool. Nice. I like this video. Now let's see how our result will be. Let's see how our another video is. Alright, so this will take a while. Once it's done, we will get back. Okay, so we have our result now. Let's see. Alright, it seems it's good. I like it. Alright. So that's it, guys. That's how you can create your own character using AI influencer and then bring your character to life using motion control. Alright, and then don't forget about Higgisfield Earn. You can get paid using Higgisfield Earn just by being a creative partner with Higgisfield, and then you can create videos about it and post them onto your social medias and get paid. Alright, thousands of creators is already earning through this platform, so guys, go for it. It's a thumbs up for me. Alright, and then if you are interested, and then if you want to know more detail about Higgisfield tools, you can go to the website, also to the official website, Higgisfield.ai. Alright, and there is Higgisfield Earn as well. So Higgisfield Earn is already launched together with AI influencer and motion control. Motion control is already there with Kling motion control, but there is a separate motion control powered by Higgisfield, which is released and which we have experiment already. If you guys want to try Higgisfield.ai, keep mind of the pricing plans also. Alright, so you can go to the pricing window and you can choose your plan accordingly, which is according to your needs. Alright, go for it, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you can use AI Influencer Studio and bring your characters to life using motion control. That's it, guys, and don't forget about the Higgisfield Earn. I will put the Higgisfield Earn link in the description below and the AI Influencer Studio link in the description below as well, so you guys can try it out. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching until the very end, do not forget to drop a comment. I have watched till the very end. or drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.